Hi all, welcome back to the shop. Today I want to make a short tutorial about that we call the G code. The G code is often used by the people who work with a CNC machine, and the G code is only some simple instruction that create a program on or you can type it on a special interface, and it tells the machine what to do. So I will show you a very simple explanation of the basics of the G code, so it will be more easy to understand your soft and how to handle the CNC machine. So this machine that I bought is a 3-axis machine. There is a 3 axes, 4 axes, 5 axes, and you can also find more axes on a well-known manufacturer like Morishiki, Mazak, Mitsubishi, and so on. And but on this one, the 3 axes are set up in this way. So the x-axis is in this direction. So it means that the head, where the cutting head is in place, will travel in this direction. The y-axis is the other one, and it means that also the cutting head is moving this way. And the z-axis is that we can call the plunge, and the cutting head is moving up and down. So the first thing we have to do when you start with the CNC machine is to tell the machine where is the 0 for the X, the Y, and the Z. And some machine have some that we call homing switch that is able to do the work, but this one does not have some homing switch. So we have to do it manually. So it means that the 0, 0, 0 have to be defined properly to make the milling of the stock. So in this machine, let's assume that this position is the X, Y, and Z 0, 0. So we only have to go with the machine. The first thing is to start the software. So the software is now on. So it means that the machine can move. So you can check that with the arrow key on the keyboard. So you can hear the machine is moving in both directions. And now we will tell the machine that this position is the X 0. So we click here, Y 0, and Z 0. So this particular position on the machine is the way that we are making the homing. So there is some different techniques depending of the trade, of the manufacturing, and on the machine. But basically, it's often like the same things to define a point, either on a stock or somewhere in a machine to define the 0 position. So now the machine exactly know where the head and the cutting tool is in the space. So the first thing we have to understand, so with the G code only tells the machine what to do, and there is some few basics regarding the machine. So what we can do with a CNC machine, we can say the machine you have to go, for example, X plus 100. So the way to tell the machine X plus 100 is this one. You have to type G 0. That means it will be a rapid move, and then you say X 100. So it will move in a rapid way the machine to X 100. So that is that. So now the machine move from the 000 to X 100, you can see on the screen, and the Y and Z did not move. But it was a rapid move. We can do the same with that we call a speed move, where you control the speed. So to define the speed, it's a J1, then you put a F, and you define the speed, the travel speed. For example, let's say 100, it will be millimeters per minute. So if I enter this thing, I will only define a cutting speed of 100 millimeters per minute, and I will set a machine so you go to x minus 100. So it will go slowly to the 0, 0 position. So let's try that. So you can hear the machine. The position is decreasing and the speed is at 100. So the G1 allows you to define the real speed that you want, and it's the way that the CNC machine is making some cuts. You always use a G1 with a defined speed to make the cut. So you can change the speed either with the Z, the X, or the Y moves. So the machine will go back to the X 0 with a defined speed of 100 millimeters per minute. So we will reach the 0 very soon. So basically the G code is very simple. So as I told the machine to go to x minus 100, here we go to the minus 100. So we will wait for the minus 100. So the total travel between the J0 x 100 and the G1 x minus 100 is 200 millimeters. And you can see on the screen also the position of the x moving to the minus 100. So the next thing I can show you with those examples, I show you only one axis moving, and the way you write the instruction on the line and also on the software tells the machine if you have to go only so the machine reach minus 100, so the new position is there. So you can tell the machine to move the two axes in the same time. So for example, if we say J0 x 0 y 100, the machine will move in a rapid speed with x and y in the same time. So let's try that. So you can see that the machine has moved from a position to a new one, moving two axes in the same time. We can go back to the previous position with a J0 y100. It means he will only move the y axis, y0, sorry. So let's go back, and we are still in a 0, 0, 0. We can move the three axes in the same time. So let's try with a new speed. So let's define the slow speed, G1 F100. So the machine record information, and let's go to the X20, Y20, and the 15. So three axes will move in the same time at a speed of 100 millimeters per minute. So you can check on the screen everything is moving, and you can hear the machine that everything is moving. The head is moving, the X is moving, and the Y is moving also. And the machine reached 20, 20, 15. And we can go back also in a rapid move with a G0, X0, Y0, Z0, and the machine will go back to the 0, 0, 0 position in a rapid move. So let's try it. And you see all the 3 axes and move at the same time. So it was a very short and basic explanation, but with this simple explanation you are able to make some milling operation. So it's the way that the G code is controlling the CNC machine, and it's the way that we are making some cuts. So hope you understand better how a CNC machine is working, and see you next time. Bye.